So hey everyone, this is Rohit Kumar, and in this video we are going to create this plastic part. This is basically a plastic cover which is used in different industrial areas as per requirement. So we are going to recreate this thing again. So let's see how we are going to do that. Simply now here look at the profile clearly. Now here you see there is a little bit depth here. Can you see? Yeah. So we are so let's see how we are going to do that. Finish this one. Open a new one. Now, you have to make select dimension. So we are going to work on millimeter, gram, and second. Now come to front plane because we have to use this revolve was base command. So simply go on geometry line, select geometry line, make a line like this, and this simply finish it like this. Now here you see. Now go to 3-point arc. Here we have to select 3-point arc. Now what need to do? We need to refine some dimensions. So simply come here, make this one 10. Make this one 10 also. It's already 10. Simply make this one 70. Okay, now come here, go to feature, select reward boss base, and you have to select the center line. Just select the center line and it become like this. Make this one okay. Now here you see this is the depth. Now come to the back, make a sketch. Now we need to make a sketch, so simply make we need a circle exactly with this diameter. So how? There are two ways. First make a circle, or the second thing is simply convert this thing into entity. Now here you see, come here and select center line. Simply select center line, make center line like this. uh, Again come here and make a line from outside of the circle and take it down. Actually dimension of this thing is not required. So come here, select the center line and select this geometry line and make this gap 10 mm. Okay, because we need a 20 mm gap, right? So come here, trim this thing. Now make this one okay. Again, from this point, make a line like this. Give this thing dimension 25 mm, and simply make a angle. So how much angle? You need to make this one angle. Let's make this one 18. Yeah, 18. Not 18. Let's make this one 12. 12 looks more better. Now we need to copy this thing, and then after that we will make three copies of this thing. So come here, go to mirror entities, select all this like this. Go to mirror about. Always you have to select the middle line or construction line that we are going to use for copying. This is called mirror. Simply here you see. Now again from the center point make a circle, and the diameter of this circle is not required. Keep this thing in your mind. Just use this one for construction. You have to click here. Now in the feature section here you see linear sketch pattern. In linear sketch pattern you have to select circular sketch pattern. Simply click this one. Now here you see uh, clear everything. Now you have to select this thing and select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, now here you see what happened. Let's do it again. Don't worry. uh let's select this thing, this circle line, this line. Now make this one 3. Okay, and simply make this one okay. Now here you see it's done. Now what we need to do, we need to select 3-point arc again, but first of all let's put this thing inside 3-point arc. Select this point and connect it to this point. Now here you see. Now what we need to do, select this point and make it tangent. Now here you see it get converted into tangent again. Select this midpoint and make this one tangent. Now here you see this is a relation. Now we just need to trim this part. So again go here, trim everything. Now here you see just trim everything which we don't need. I think it's enough. go here, go to extruded boss base. Now we need to cut this thing. So how? Not blind select through all. Now here you see. And simply make this one okay. Now here you see. One part is done. We need three portion of this thing. So how? In feature section, I already had told you you have to go to circular pattern. Go to direction. In direction section, you have to select this part, this portion now, and we need to select the feature. This is the feature. Now select this thing. Now it's already three. So now here you see. Make this one okay. Now you see. Again, now what we need to do? We will make the fillets later on, but first let's make a plane over here, right? So how? Go to refresh geometry and feature section. Go to refresh geometry. Go to plane. Now come here. Select a top plane. Now you have to give some height. So how much height? Let's make this one 8. I think 8 is fine, right? Make this one and simply come here. Make a sketch. Now what we need to do? Go to center line. Make this like this. Okay. And let's make one more center line because we need to give some dimension also. This thing is fine. Come here. From this point, make a line like this, and like this. Let's make this one how much? Let's make this one properly 5. This one is already 5. And make this one 15. Come here. From this line, select this and give some dimension. Let's make this one 35. Okay, 35. Make this one okay. Go to mirror entities because we are going to mirror this thing. Select this. Go to mirror about. Select the middle portion and make this one okay. Now, uh, go to feature section. Now we need to extrude this one downward direction. Go to extrude boss base and here you see. There are two options. Go to blind or the second thing is up to surface. So in up to surface you have to select the surface. Now here you see. Now you see this thing is done and simply hide this plane. Now you don't need to make this thing again and again on these sides. Just go to a circular pattern. You have to click the direction, select this part, this face because this is the direction, and in features you have to select this. Now here you see it get copied over here and make this one okay. Now what we need to do? Go to fillet section, give this 2, and you have to select this part anywhere. Simply select here, click here. Now you see. Now make this select this one too. Not this one like this. You have to be here with this. Select this thing and select this thing. Now here you see. Now you see. Now what do you need to do? Again, we need to do it one by one. So simply this thing. Simply select this portion. Now it get copied. Make this one okay. Now here you see. Again, go to feature. Select this portion and select this portion. Sorry, select this portion. Make sure that it will become orange. Let me show you how. Here you see this get orange. This corner. Select this corner and select this corner. Now here you see this thing is done. Go to fillet again. Select this corner. This time you have to select corner by corner, not faces. Select corner. Select this corner. Again, just two corners left. Select this corner and this corner also. Now here you see this profile is done. And we need to make this thing hollow because in that model this thing was hollow. So how? Go to cell command. You have to select cell command. Simply select cell command. Give thickness 1 mm. Select this face and click soft preview. This is only if you want to see. Okay. Otherwise, when you will untick this thing, then it will not show you. Now here you see and make this one okay. Now here you see. This is the final model. Now we need to give some material. So you have to go to plastic. Appearance in plastic section you have to go high glossy. Select any kind of material you want as per given in the drawing or as per asked in the paper. Now here you see, this is the final product, this is the final model that we have learned today how to make this kind. Actually this is a little bit complicated and it's an advanced model, but I did it because one of my friend told me that she wants this to learn this model because tomorrow is her exam and she have to prepare for it. That's why I'm making this video. Thoughts in the comment and also like the video, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.